So what is health? What does it mean to you? A state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. That's a definition by the World Health Organization. But what are your thoughts? I know what my thoughts are. Vitality, that's definitely important, and energy. What does an integrative approach to health look like? That's one of the things that we discussed in our workshop. Is that something you've ever considered, the bigger picture? Here's a little sneaky preview. My integrative model, me. Movement, energy, mindset and emotion. In kinesiology, our me's turn to B's, B-E-E-S. So I'm going to be doing a workshop where you can understand and learn more about kinesiology, and it will start in September. So if you want to know more about how muscles and organs, what the connection is there, and how they can actually tell you more about what imbalances are going on with your health, then find out some more on my website and the details. Call or contact me. And I've also got a health and well-being workshop that's coming up, so take control of your health.